Ever wondered why finding a reliable cargo service between the USA and Pakistan feels like searching for a needle in a haystack? You're not alone. From unexpected delays to lost packages, the list of hurdles seems endless. But what if there was a way to navigate this sea of uncertainty with confidence and ease? Welcome to Express Cargo Service, your one-stop solution for all things cargo. Our mission? To make cargo shipping as simple and efficient as possible. Imagine a service that prioritizes your needs. At Express Cargo Service, we've turned that vision into a reality. Our team of dedicated professionals works around the clock to ensure your packages reach their destination safely and on time. We understand that each package holds not just goods, but also the trust you've placed in us. We offer a range of services tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's a small personal package or a large business shipment, we have the resources and expertise to handle it with care. Our cutting-edge tracking system allows you to monitor your package every step of the way, providing you with peace of mind. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to reliability and customer satisfaction. We believe in setting the bar high and exceeding expectations. With Express Cargo Service, you're not just a customer, you're a valued partner. So bid goodbye to the stress and unpredictability of cargo shipping. With Express Cargo Service, experience the joy of shipping with confidence. We're not just shipping cargo, we're delivering promises. Are you ready to embark on a seamless shipping journey? Then step aboard with Express Cargo Service. We're here to turn your cargo shipping experience from a chore into a delight. Trust us with your shipment, and we'll deliver it with care and precision. Remember, with Express Cargo Service, your package is our priority. Don't just ship it, express it.